Right, we're going to share £30 into the ratio 1 to 4. So step number 1 is to add up the parts of the ratio to work out the total parts in the ratio. So for example number 1, 1 plus 4 is going to be 5, so there's 5 parts in that ratio. The second step is to work out the value or what one part is worth. So we'll work out what one part is worth, and we do that by dividing the total amount, 30, by the total parts in our ratio, which is 5. That gives you 6. So each part of the ratio is worth 6. And then the third step is to multiply the ratio by what one part is worth, by the one part number. So that's going to be 1 to 4. And we're going to multiply that whole ratio by 6. Just write that from there. And we're going to write the 6 and 24. So one part is worth £6, the other is worth £24. For the second example, add the ratios, add the parts in the ratio. So 2 plus 7 equals 9. We're then going to divide the total amount, 36, by 9. So 36 divided by 9 equals 4. So that's one part of our ratio is worth 4. Dividing the total amount by the total parts of the ratio. And then the last step is to multiply the ratio by 4. So 2 to 7 times by 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 7 times 4 is 28. That's the answer to that one. And then number 3 and number 4 follow the same kind of steps. Add up the total parts in the ratio is 10. Then we divide the total amount, which is 200, by the total parts of our ratio, which is 10, to give us 20. And then you multiply the ratio by 20. So we have the ratio, which is 73. We times both parts by 20. In other words, we're scaling it up. So you get 140 to 60. Oh. And then the last one, same thing, add up the total parts of the ratio, 3 plus 6 plus 1, that's going to be 10. And then we're going to divide the total amount by the total parts of the ratio. So we get 25, which is what one part is worth. And the last part is to multiply the ratio by 25. 3 times 25 is 75, 6 times 25 is 150, and 1 times 25 is 25.